and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thank you for coming back to watch my shit. So we got a wig today. It's from Julia Hair. This is my first wig from Julia Hair, and this is my first human hair wig I've bought this year, and it's March. It's actually the end of March right now. Okay, so go ahead, let's get right into it. What I got was, actually, I'm gonna put it over here on the side of what I actually ordered. It's a everything wig. First of all, I love this. This is one of these like travel bags. Girl, I swear to God, these glow in the dark. The straps glow in the dark, they're so neon. But anyway, neither here nor there. So I got a pre-everything wig. I got a I got a Yaki Straight wig. So this is it right here. It is, I'll list all the specs down below, girl, because I do not remember. I got this on Monday. It is Saturday now. Now, in the packaging, I got some white nails. I got a wig cap that I'm probably not going to use because I usually use a black wig cap that I have right here. And then I got a wig band that reminds me of Vans. And then, of course, the wig. So now let's open it up. Oh, bye-bye knots. I got some of these too. What are the tape for the edge, for the ends? I've never used these before, so we're gonna see what it's hitting for. Also in this bag is a adjustable wig band or adjustable strap. No, we would call it adjustable strap, not a wig band. Yes, it's 7x5 bye-bye knot. It's a 24 inch. Pretty long, pretty thick. It has that drawstring right here, so love that. And of course, these adjustable straps right here. And everything is pre-cut, pre-bleached for the most part, because it's bye-bye knots. There you go. Okay, so this is the wig. We are gonna pop it on our head and see what it's hitting for. Hopefully, it doesn't require a whole lot that I have to do. However, my hairline, we're gonna just look at it right here. My hairline is very odd. I have a widow's peak, and then I have a low hairline, that's what it's called. And I have hair that come down to here. So, there's that. Okay. So, right off the bat, I love how long it is. I honestly didn't expect for it to be this long. Let me see if I can back up so you can see. And I'll turn around. Oh, it's went to the bottom of my booty cheeks. What? Right off the bat, the lace is, I don't know if you can see it on camera, if it's coming off on camera, but I can definitely see it. It is coming off as light, very light. So, and the hairline is too straight for my liking. Now, I'm very scared of fixing it, but I have to, bookies. So I literally want this to be glueless. I need this to be fast. I am a mom that needs to just pop a wig on and go. So, I'm about to see if I can kind of line this up with my hairline a little bit more. But that's going to be kind of hard because my hairline sucks.
Yeah.
I paid $200 for this wig. Well, Klarna.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT.
So this is the lace tint I use. Of course, is the even. You can see that.
All the niggas around me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside. TT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas around me, right at they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a Crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting tenser. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss ya. Right now I'm just stuck inside a crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah, who am I? All the niggas. Yeah, I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Still with the dolls.
Okay, y'all, so I actually went out in this wig, and I come to tell you that this wig is it. Get it, because I love it down so much. The only thing I would probably do is probably trim the ends, because I like a blunt-ish cut. So I'm going to go ahead and trim those, but all in all, get this wig. It is so good.